Upwork because I think Upwork is a little bit lenient with international freelancers. So I use Upwork, and Upwork, you get your payment within 5 business working days. Have you been looking for how to make some extra money online as a Nigerian in 2025? Now, if you are a stay-at-home mom, a student, or someone who is just looking for how to increase their income from point A to point B, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be talking about 5 ways that you can make money as a Nigerian or anyone in Africa. Now, if you're seeing our video for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. Now, this website or these ways to make money that I'll be sharing with you are proven and tested, and they are guaranteed. Now, this is not a scam, this is not a get quick scheme. These are no means of making money in the next 1 month or in the next few days. Now, these are real opportunities that you can use to make money. If this looks like what you want to learn, or if this looks like what appeals to you, you can stick with me to the end of this video. Now, let's dive right into the video. The first on our list is freelancing. Now, freelancing is one of the best ways to start earning money in dollars if you're from Nigeria or from any African countries. Now, this is you doing tasks or doing valuable jobs in exchange for money. Now, the first thing you have to do is to identify what you want to learn, identify a skill. Now, the skill should resonate with you. If you don't know how to do this, you can go on ChatGPT, talk to ChatGPT using this prompt, using what I have learned in school and what I graduated with. Give me possible tech skills that I can learn and start making money from Africa or from Nigeria. Now, ChatGPT will understand and do the job. Then you have to choose from the skills that ChatGPT will actually offer to you. After that, make sure you watch a lot of videos about freelancing on YouTube. YouTube is a free platform where you can learn a whole lot of things if you decide to go with freelancing. Now, the next thing you have to do after identifying your skill is to look for where you can learn that skill. Now, you can learn the skill on any platform, maybe Coursera, ALX, any freelancing platform. Browse freelancing platforms or just browse platforms that you can learn skills for free. You can use Udemy. You can use other platforms like Digital Divine ND. You can use free platforms. There are free platforms that offer free learning with free certification. Now, after you have learned those skills, the next thing you need to do is to sign up on platform like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. Now, I use Upwork because I think Upwork is a little bit lenient with international freelancers. So I use Upwork, and Upwork, you get your payment within 5 business working days. Right, you as a starter to use Upwork. Upwork is also good for entry-level jobs. Now, as you all know, I did a virtual assistant course on ALX, and I've been able to land gigs on Fiverr and Upwork. Now, the gigs on Fiverr are not that profitable because, anyway, I don't know. It seems it doesn't really favor Africans. I don't know. But on Upwork, the gigs are actually good, and you can, relate well with any language or English that you want to use with your clients. But please be polite and respectful. Now, here is a tip. When setting up your profile on Upwork, go and look for people that are in your niche. For instance, if you're a video editor or a graphic designer or a virtual assistant, browse on Upwork. Browse talents in your niche on Upwork. See how they set their profiles, and you replicate such profile. Like, don't copy them verbatim, but create your own that is looking more or a little bit professional like theirs. That is another tip. And then if you're trying to set up a profile on Upwork, please ensure that you bring down your rate, because as an entry level or as a beginner, in fact, it brings more clients to you if you have a low competitive rate. We are not saying you should sell yourself short, but at least bring it down a little bit to get more clients. It is as simple as that. Now, if you have watched to this level and you have not started your freelancing journey, or you have not started watching other things, or you have not started planning out how you can be a freelancer, please go on YouTube to look for how you can start. But with these few ideas of mine, I am very, very sure that you can start. Now, if this looks like something that interests you, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share, and then drop a comment on whether you have decided to start up with freelancing. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is actually good if you have a platform, or if you have followers on social media platform, or if you're a blogger that writes blog, or if you have Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups. It is good. Affiliate marketing simply means that you are selling somebody else's product and getting commission from it. There's this lady on TikTok, her name is Adefe, and she was able to make $10,000 with affiliate marketing right from Nigeria and from the comfort of her home. Now, if you can go on our page, her name is Adefe, you will understand that making money in Nigeria with affiliate marketing is super simple. The first thing you need to do is to go on YouTube. YouTube is a free platform. Go on YouTube, learn as much as you can on affiliate marketing. Now, after that, you go and sign up on websites like Jumia, Konga, Amazon. Sign up as an affiliate marketer. The next thing after that is to create a platform. Now, if you already have a website or a blog, or if you already have a social media presence, that is super perfect for you. If you don't have, all you have to do is to create a TikTok account or a Twitter account to promote the affiliate links or to promote the product you want to sell. Before we go to the third method or the third ways that you can actually make money, if you have not subscribed to this level, do well to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, as this is the only thing I require from you with this informative information that I am sharing with you. Next on our list is YouTube and blogging. Now, YouTube and blogging are not quick make money schemes. In fact, they cannot pay you instantly. But if you say consistently with posting on your blog or on YouTube, you get paid. And it is a life-changing opportunity if you can be consistent. So imagine you getting paid while you sleep. Now, this is like a forever business if you intend to go into YouTube and blogging, because it will make you money back to back. The steps that you need to take when you want to start either YouTube or blogging is to make a quality research about it. Now, research about it maybe on Google or on YouTube. Research about how to start a YouTube channel, how to start blogging as a beginner. Now, once you're able to research it, you get a lot of materials on it and you'll be able to learn from it. Now, the next step is to pick a niche. Now, you can decide to go into tech, you can decide to go into food, you can decide to go into how-to, you can decide to go into beauty niche. Any niche that resonates well with you, or anything you feel you will be comfortable creating content or talking about, is actually good. After you have picked your niche, the next thing is to start shooting or to start writing. Now, once you're able to start shooting and you're able to start writing, the next thing is to monetize it. You monetize it. It will take a while, but you have to be consistent with either shooting or writing. Now, if you're about to start a blog, you can use Blogger or WordPress to start your blogging business as a beginner. And then if you want to create content, you can use YouTube to launch your channel, or use Facebook as a Facebook page to launch your business. Now, these two things, you can monetize them once they are able to reach the monetization requirements. You can either monetize your blog using Google AdSense, or you monetize your YouTube channel using Google AdSense. Either ways, you get paid. Now, this particular way of making money, it is for you if you intend to make money on a long time scale. It is not the sharp thing. The secret of making it on YouTube or making it on blog is to show up consistently every day. You can watch as many videos as you want about blogging, about YouTube, but one thing any good YouTuber or any good blogger will tell you is to show up. That is the most important thing. You show up every day, twice a day, once a day. You just ensure that you show up, even if it is for 3 months or for 6 months. Just ensure that you show up. Before then, after a while, you can now make it like 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week, whichever works well for you. Now, the next thing is dropshipping. Dropshipping are for those that have always wanted to start a business. If your focus is to start a business, but you actually do not have the capital to stock up on products, you can dropship. Yes, you can dropship, especially from local suppliers. If you're in Nigeria or in any African country, you can dropship from any local supplier around you. If you're in Nigeria, you can try dropshipping from Lagos or from Abuja, from Anambra or from Abia or any Nigerian or Ibadan. depending on whichever one is the closest to you. Now you need to learn about dropshipping. Whichever business you intend to go into, you need to learn more about it. Now if you want to learn about dropshipping, you can use YouTube. Learn about dropshipping. Next thing is to register on either Jumia, Konga, or Gigi, or even start posting on your WhatsApp status. Now when people order from you, when people show interest in what they want to buy, you ensure to put your waybill money or your delivery money, and then you ensure to put your gain. Then you message your supplier to send to the delivery address your customer has sent to you without their branded nylon or their branded logo. You understand? That is how you drop ship. Your suppliers will supply your items without branded nylon to your customers, so you don't really have to own those products in your store. That's another way you can make money. Then when your customers receive their packages, they send you message that they've received it and you get your pay. You give your supplier their own cut and you keep your own pay. That is how you can make money with drop shipping. The last but not the least that we have here is starting up as a virtual assistant. So you all know I'm a certified virtual assistant, so I will always announce it. So whichever way you want it, you can start up as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistant, you can just be simply helping people to do the tasks that they cannot do, or the tasks that will save them more time and more energy, or let them focus on other important matters in their businesses or in their lives. Now if you know you're good with administrative work, you can decide to go on a virtual assistant course, niche down to maybe email marketing, or maybe email handling their social media marketing, social media management, any of those niches that you want under virtual assistant. Virtual assistant is a broad workspace, so you can niche down, you can choose any one you want. Now also, if you also know that you're someone, maybe you're a lawyer, because people would often say that they want something that is related to what they did in school or something. If you're a lawyer, you can niche down to legal virtual assistant. People are looking for someone with the legal knowledge of maybe something or someone. You understand? So you can niche down to be a legal virtual assistant. The first thing you have to understand, or you have to do, is to learn about it. You can learn about it on YouTube. You can go to Digital Define ND. It is a free website to learn about anything you want to learn. You can use ALX, you can use Google, you can use anything to learn about your virtual assistant. Now after learning, you pick whichever one you want to focus on. Either email handling, scheduling travel schedules, or maybe you want something that you want to go into legal virtual assistant, or handling administrative work, or doing the project management of the office, or doing the social media management of it. Anyone you want to niche down to. After that, you go and create a profile on LinkedIn, and you create a portfolio using Canva. You can create your portfolio using Canva, and you create profile on LinkedIn. Now you can research how to create samples of jobs on Google. So even if you don't have anything you put on your LinkedIn profile or on your portfolio, you can research how you can create sample works, sample travel itineraries, sample email handling works. Any sample you want to do, you can create it on Google or on Canva. Then you put it on your portfolio, or you put it on your LinkedIn profile. Then after that, you can now head straight to Upwork or Fiverr to start posting gigs, or to start posting as a freelancer, uploading your gigs on how you can work as a virtual assistant, putting up your sample and your certificates on Upwork to work as a virtual assistant. Start sending out proposals to people that are willing to hire you, and please ensure that you include entry level, beginner, entry level. It is very, very important, because if someone is employing you as a beginner or as an entry level employee, the person will have the mindset that you are open to learning. They will have to teach you. They know that. So it is better than they assuming that they want to employ an expert. So that is what you can get, or that is how you can go about learning about virtual assistant and start making money in dollars from the comfort of your home. Now, these these 5 online side hustles are changing lives in Nigeria. So please let me know which of these online side hustles you would like to try first. If you intend to try any one, please state it in the comment section. There are free websites or free platforms where you can learn more about all these things in case you intend to go into any one of them. And please do not forget to like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications so that if I drop amazing content on how to make money and making money from the comfort of your home, you'll be notified. You will be the first to be notified about how you can make money using any of the ideas I am about to share with you, or I'll keep sharing with you. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.